We live in an age of wonders, an age where the impossible brushes shoulders with the everyday, where myth and reality blur with every moment. Drones, silent sentinels of the sky, reveal this hidden world. Witness bizarre phenomena caught on drone footage. These captures will leave you questioning our world. We'll count down the top 43 strangest drone sightings. Deep in the wilds, a drone captures something unsettling, something that moves with a primal, mysterious grace that defies explanation. The vast ocean, a realm of mystery. A drone captures something streaking across the sky, defying physics. The remnants of a forgotten era. An abandoned building stands as a monument to time's passage. A drone's lens captures a fleeting image, a spectral presence that chills the marrow. Chapter 4. Celestial Ballet, the Night Sky. A canvas for the cosmos. A drone captures a breathtaking display of lights, moving with an eerie synchronicity that seems to defy all explanation. Chapter 5. Legend of the Mountains. High in the unforgiving peaks, a legend persists. A drone's lens captures a glimpse of something massive, something that walks upright in this desolate realm. Could it be real? Chapter 6. The Desert Phantom. The sun-baked expanse of the desert, a place of secrets and mirages. A drone captures a shadow, immense and shifting, with no clear source. Chapter 7. A farmer's field transformed overnight into a canvas. A drone reveals intricate patterns, a language yet to decipher. Chapter 8. Beneath the placid surface of a serene lake, something stirs. A drone's sonar detects an anomaly, a glowing entity moving with purpose in the depths. Chapter 9. The Jungle, a realm of untamed beauty and hidden wonders. A drone's camera reveals an ancient, imposing structure, swallowed by the relentless embrace of nature. Chapter 10. The Urban Jungle, a testament to human endeavour. A drone captures something unusual, something that moves with impossible speed and agility through the concrete canyons. Chapter 11. The murky depths of the swamp, a primordial world teeming with life. A drone's camera captures a glimpse of something ancient, something reptilian, lurking just beneath the surface. Chapter 12. A pillar of light piercing the darkness. A drone captures a beam of energy with no origin. Chapter 13. Echoes of lives lived. A ghost town frozen in time. A drone's lens unveils the remnants of a community, abandoned with an eerie haste. What really happened here? Chapter 14. The Fog's Embrace. A swirling vortex of mist, moving with grace. A drone captures the ethereal dance of the fog, both beautiful and unsettling. Chapter 15. What Lies Below. The Ocean Depths, a final frontier on our own planet. A drone's sonar detects a massive, mysterious object moving silently through the dark abyss. Chapter 16. Winter's Secrets. A blanket of snow, pristine and undisturbed. A drone's camera reveals strange markings etched into the white expanse, forming mysterious patterns that defy explanation. Chapter 17. The Sky Ignites. A flash of brilliance, a sudden burst of energy illuminates the sky. A drone captures the aftermath of an unexplained explosion, leaving more questions than answers. Chapter 18. Darkness Below. The mouth of a cave, a gateway to the underworld. A drone ventures into the darkness, its camera capturing a figure that seems to melt into the shadows. Chapter 19. A farmer's field, a place of quiet industry. A drone captures something incongruous, a metallic object that seems to have materialized out of nowhere, out of thin air. Chapter 20. The Heart of the Forest, a place of ancient magic. A drone captures a procession of glowing lights, weaving through the trees like fireflies in the night. Chapter 21. A towering peak casts a long shadow over the land. A drone captures something immense within that shadow. Chapter 22. Silent Watcher. The endless blue of the sky, a symbol of freedom and possibility. A drone captures a dark shape, hanging in the air, observing the world below. Chapter 23. River Serpent. A river, a ribbon of life winding through the landscape. A drone captures a glimpse of something massive moving beneath the surface, a creature of myth and legend. Chapter 24. Desert Light Show. The arid expanse of the desert, a place of stark beauty. A drone captures light dancing across the dunes, a beacon in the vast emptiness. Chapter 25. The sunken metropolis, the ocean floor, a graveyard of history and lost civilizations. A drone sonar reveals a structure of immense size and complexity, a testament to a forgotten past. Chapter 26. Forest Flyer. A dense canopy of trees, a living, breathing cathedral. A drone captures something darting through the branches, moving with speed and agility that defies nature. Chapter 27. Beast in the Field. A field of golden wheat swaying gently in the breeze. A drone captures something moving through the stalks, large and hairy, a creature out of place and time. Chapter 28. Skyward Beam. A column of light shooting skyward like a beacon. A drone captures the spectacle, defying the laws of physics. Valley of Mystery. A valley shrouded in mist, a place of mystery and intrigue. A drone captures the swirling fog, moving with an unnatural purpose, guided by an unseen hand. Lake Leviathan. The still waters of a lake, reflecting the sky like a mirror. A drone's sonar picks up a large, mysterious, unidentified object moving silently beneath the surface. A freshly ploughed field ready for planting. A drone captures strange markings, forming patterns that seem ancient and otherworldly. The desolate beauty of the desert. A drone captures a sudden blinding flash, an explosion with no apparent cause. The deep woods, a place of shadows and whispers. A drone captures a fleeting glimpse of a shadowy figure moving silently. The vast expanse of the sky, a canvas for clouds and dreams. A drone captures a dark, unidentified object hanging motionless in the air, silently observing the world below. The murky depths of a swamp, a haven for creatures both fascinating and fearsome. A drone captures a large reptilian creature moving through the water, its eyes gleaming with ancient wisdom. The deep blue sea, a realm of mystery. A drone captures a strange light from the depths, a beacon in darkness. Deep in the heart of the jungle, where nature reigns supreme, a drone captures the ruins of an ancient civilization, now swallowed by the relentless embrace of the rainforest. The glittering skyline of a city, a testament to human ingenuity. A drone captures an unidentified flying object moving at impossible speeds, a blur against the night urban landscape. A river, a source of life and ancient legends. A drone captures a large serpentine creature moving through the water, its scales shimmering in the sunlight. The night sky, a vast tapestry of stars and planets. A drone captures a bright light moving across the heavens, defying explanation and igniting our sense of wonder and curiosity. A dense forest, shrouded in mist and mystery. A drone captures the fog, moving through the trees like a living entity. A farmer's field, a place of quiet industry. A drone captures a metallic object in the field, its purpose unknown. The night sky, a vast canvas. A drone captures strange lights, moving in formation, a celestial ballet defying explanation. And there you have it, folks, the top 43 strangest and most intriguing drone sightings. From Bigfoot to UFOs, these captures will leave you questioning the world around us. Are we alone in the universe? Are there creatures lurking in the shadows? The truth is out there. Keep your eyes on the skies and never stop exploring the mysteries. Thanks for watching.